5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 200, 3 right and 1 right long, and so 3 right here and 1 right long, and right over crest into 6 left. So 3 right here, right over crest into 6 left. 6 left, well done. And square right into 6 right, don't, 6 right, don't, and 6 left. Nice. And 6 left into hairpin right, and 6 left, don't, 6 left, don't, and mid crest into 6 left, tidy. So you've got mid crest here into 6 left here, tidy, opens long, so this is the 6 left long, opens, 80, hairpin left, don't, into 5 left, into 6 right long. So this is your 6 right long, 60, 6 left in, 6 left in, 60 mid crest, and 3 left into square right. So crest here, you got 3 left, don't, into square right at the end. You can see it, and 6 left long, 6 left long into 3 right long. And 2 left long, this is 3 right and 2 left long, don't, and square left, 2 left long, don't, and square left through post, tidy, and 6 right, tidy, and 6 right, tidy, opens to 5 right slot, so 6 right here, opens to slot 5 right, so it opens to slot 5 right over bump, so you're slotting 5 right here, slotting 5 right, well done. 60, 1 left long, tightens to square left at the bank, tightens to square at the bank, and mid bump grid, tidy through posts, into 6 right, tidy, so through post, then 6 right, tidy, 100, 2 right long, tightens to 3 right, tidy, you can see it, 2 right, tightens to 3 right, tidy, and mid through post, tightens to 3, and mid through post, 100, hairpin left good, 80, 2 right, into 5 right, into 4 right,
repeat,
so 2 right, into 5 right, into 4 right, into 6 left, so you've got, this is your 5, now you've got a 4, into a 6, don't, and 5 right.
What's this?
Sorry, I've got behind me, mate. This is hairpin left, you've got coming up here, shit, sorry, 3 right to 4 right, hairpin left.
Hairpin left.
Yeah, sorry, my fault, sorry.
Sorry, I confused.
And 1 left continues very long, into 3 right. Very long into 3 right, and 4 right continues long. And 5 left. 5 left. 60, 6 right hook. So this is 6 right hook. Into 5 left. 2 right go. 5 left, 2 right go. 60. Line over crest. 60 down. 1 right into 2 right. You've got 1 right into 2 right. Slippy on the 2 maybe. Line 130. 5 right at the top. Tight. Into 1 right. 5 right into 1 right. Into 6 left tight. Into 6 left tight. Into 4 right. 60. 2 right. 80 line. This is 2 right, 80 line, 4 left good, 4 left good, opens go, 80, 1 right long, 100, this is 1 right long, 100, 2 left half long, into 2 left again, so 2 left long into 2 left again, and 1 right into, left of mid crest, turn over, bad bump, square left, remember, square left,
all right.
100, well done. 4 right, don't, over crest, you've got 4 right over jump, don't, into 5 left through dip, into 5 right, 80, 6 left tight.
6 right.
6 left tight, yep. 6 left tight. And 2 right, don't. 2 right, don't. 80 line, 2 left over late crest, 2 left over late crest, 150, go. 150 over finish, 3 right, long.
Well done.